White Bull's Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.
Welcome back, barbecue fam. Chris here from White Bull's Barbecue, and today we're going to be doing some chicken wings. Plain old dry rub chicken wings. I'm going to show you guys how to achieve the perfect crispy wings. Nice pot roasty chicken on the inside. So let's do the damn thing. It's been a while since I did them on the channel, and I figured you guys would be itching for some simplicity. So I got the Pro 780 rocking from Traeger. That's rolling at 325. We're going to go 325 skin down for a half hour, 325 skin up for a half hour, and then 400 for 5 minutes to really make that final crisp. I want you guys to understand, these are gonna be the perfect crispy wings, smoky, crispy texture, but pot roasty chicken on the inside, pure perfection. We're not even using a thermometer on this one because I know the timing on this is perfect. Let's do the damn thing, guys. Hit that like and subscribe, you know the vibes, hit that bell. But Chris, what do we use? Boom! You use that bird gang for poultry. All right, we got them on, skin down. It's different. We'll be back in a half hour. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, kicking it with my homie. Oh, my bad. All right, guys, so the main reason that we go skin down, look, I know the haters are gonna be in the comments. All chicken has skin. What I mean is the skin that's obviously skin, not that thinner backside, the front side, whatever you want to call it. That side goes down first for a half hour because we want that part of the skin to really get that crisp in the beginning part of the cook. That's it, all right? So stop with the hate comments. Let's go. All right, so we just flipped them at the half hour mark. As you saw, that color was popping. Nothing left to do but to leave it for another half hour. Flipped, we just flipped them over, give the other side an equal treatment, and then we'll give it 5 minutes skin down, 400 degrees. It's gonna be perfection. Let's do the damn thing. All right, now your boy is from the school of certified savagery, so I don't advise you do this. Probably should just use tongs. But let's flip these over, crank this up to 400, give them 5 more minutes, and they're donezo, all right? Let's flip these. Perfect. When I say pot roast on the inside and crispy on the outside, this is what I mean. Take a listen. And look at that chicken. Fire. Let's go. Cheers. I feel like DJ Khaled right now. Another one. Watch this. Pot roast. Straight up pot roast. Fire, alright? Fire. You're gonna win over the crowd every time with that recipe. You get a nice crispy crunch. You got that pot roast consistency of chicken. You could just shred apart strand from strand. Amazing. And that goes for the drums too. I know you guys always see me chomping on flats. I'm a flats guy, but the drums get eaten too. Trust me, this is a simple, easy, and amazing recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know the vibes, baby. Best damn barbecue ever. Comment below what you want to see next. Hit that bell, and I'll see you next time. The best damn barbecue ever. Ah!
White Bulls Barbecue. The best damn barbecue ever.